What's up, guys? This is TampaTec, and this is my broken pool vacuum. I'm going to show you what it does. I'm going to drop it in the pool and show you what it does. It basically doesn't move. It just tries to move, but doesn't move. So we're going to troubleshoot it and try to fix it. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm just going to drop it in the pool. There we go. So turn it on. There we go. We got the light, and it should start right now. Now, if that pump does not kick in, as you noticed, then what you want to do is you want to check the connections, and connections going to the robot vacuum all the way, and then you want to trace it all the way to this connection right here, and then you want to unscrew this and remove it and clean it out with electronic cleaner. Deoxit usually works pretty good. So as you can see, the pump has suction, but it's not moving forward. So let's go ahead and figure that out. What drives the wheels is the belt and also the motor. So it's either a motor issue or the motor is not working with the belt. So we're gonna probably look at the belt first, which is the easiest. So let's go ahead and grab it. And then go ahead and turn it off. All right, so basically you unscrew this right here and then check those connections. And even if they do look good, you can still spray Deoxit in electronic cleaner in there and then just plug it in and then unplug it a few times. See that notch, as you can see on top? That's the top part. So you just unplug it, plug it in a few times to clear out any kind of like rust or debris. I mean, those pins look pretty good. They're not rusty. I already used Deoxit electronic cleaner on that. So I actually had an issue where it wasn't working, and that actually fixed it. And so let's go ahead and plug this back in. Undo this. We're going to remove some of this. And I did order the belt kit. So this is the belt kit right here. As you can see, this is the part number T10-800. And these are the big belts that run the whole big wheels. And then this, I believe, runs the smaller, I think this may be the pump, I'm not sure. And this is the part number, I believe, right here, which is 162XL. Take this one off. It's always good to rinse it off with fresh water after you take it out of the pool, especially if you plan to maintain it and have it last longer, years longer. So let's go ahead and remove that. And then this comes off. Alright, and then let's do the same for this side because we're replacing all 4 belts. Well, let's grab the belts. There you go. I'm going to have my friend Nino help me out with this one because I'm giving him this robot vacuum. Because another company sent me another one. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. Okay. And so we're going to tilt this to the side and replace one at a time. Oh, look at that. Look, we found something interesting. Oh, wow, that's why it got jammed. Let's take a look at here. Oh, wow, it's string. It got jammed up in the motor, or the gear. So, let's go ahead and start removing this stuff. You want to do it, Nino? There you go. Well, we probably just take one off. We don't need to take both off. Okay. Because once you take one off, everything's loose. Yeah. So let's go ahead and put this over here. And look at that. Look at all the teeth. It's all chewed up, but the teeth are all gone. And this is the part number right here. Suzuki 162XL. 162XL. So yeah, that's it. We're going to have to take the string off. That's really in there. This is tough string. This string is like really like strong. Oh wow, it's really like all wrapped up in this thing. It could be still wrapped up in there. It might be a good idea to actually. Yeah, you want to try not to break it. Oh, I was trying to see if it was wrapped up behind it still.
No, I think it's good.
You think it's good?
One.
It feels. I mean, it feels all right. It does spin. Might as well replace both, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we don't have to deal with that again. Here you go, Nino. Remember how that goes on?
Yeah, I think just here. Here.
Oh no, you have to put this on.
Oh,
Alright.
I know. It goes like this.
We want to put the big belt on too. We might have to take it off, right?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Mm.
Good thing you didn't knock yourself out.
Alright, so do we put this or the new one?
This is the old one. Oh my god.
Here,
Imagine you did
So
hold
we
it.
put this.
Good thing you're paying attention. Obviously not me.
So
I almost put the bad one on.
Cause this one, I think this one just drops. Is there a guide for this? Or it just goes in?
Yeah, it just goes in.
It's just supposed to go in.
Yeah, show the camera. So there's like this right here.
There's
So-
not. It's not.
So let's see how flush it goes. No, it goes all the way down. See?
Yeah, it's supposed to go all the way down.
Yeah, but there was tension. That's why it couldn't go all the way down.
Alright, so do this.
Mm-hmm.
Do that. Okay, and then get this.
See if it goes flush down now.
I think it will. Do this. Make sure that goes. Is it on top or below?
Right there. Oh, I could turn this wheel if you want to do that. You want me to turn it and it'll like walk it on? Walk it like that.
Okay. Alright.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, there you go. That dropped better.
Oh wow, it's flush.
Yeah. Okay. That's it.
Let's make sure all these other things are tight.
Maybe I'm more attention.
All right, let's do the other side. Oh, let's go ahead and put this on. I think this goes here.
Okay, that would go.
Let's go ahead and put this on. Put it this way.
So, this one?
Oh wait, that's weird. There's no bolt over here. That black bolt I meant. Oh, I guess the black bolt's for the pump, and then these are for the wheels.
Mm-hmm.
So you only need one for the pump because there's only one pump.
Yeah.
All right, go ahead.
Let's do this.
You just need to remove one. That's why it's important to rinse it off with fresh water so these screws don't get rusty.
You can go any direction. Mm.
All right, then go ahead and I'll walk it on. Oh wait, I have to turn this big wheel. Big wheels keep on turning. There we go. And then screw it on.
Yep.
And then you have an extra belt, looks like.
Where is it?
It's in here.
No.
Oh wait, is that for the frame?
Oh, here.
Yeah, is that longer?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. If they knew it was this simple, right?
Yep. I think it's good.
Well, here, put the other basket in.
are
And
the
this
old
was
parts.
it. Yeah. And then you have an extra belt for future.
Just needed one.
Oh, we didn't turn it on. Turn it on first. There, the red light's on.
Starts sinking.
Yeah, we had to give it some slack. There it goes. I see bubbles. That's it. Yeah, it's moving now.
Climbing.
Oh wow, it's strong. That's it. We fixed it. Good job, Nino.